Hey, fifth grade, I just want to explain your word work for this week. I'm pretty excited. So you're going to have it in Google Slides. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger here. So what you're going to do is you're going to be a songwriter. I know it sounds freaky, but don't worry. Okay, you have some options. So your task is going to be to create like an original song, meaning write it out or make a video to help you remember your vocabulary words. Because I know that songs are a great tool to help us remembering things. So it's pretty simple. Your song must contain the definition of your vocabulary word. If you want to try to do more than one vocabulary word, go for it. And at least one synonym and one antonym. So remember, a synonym is a word that is similar in meaning to your vocab, and an antonym would be a word that is opposite. Okay, so that's kind of the first thing. Now, here's a list of the vocabulary words that we chose from your text this week, which is Beyond the Horizon, that you guys have been reading since Monday. Okay, so here are the words, and then I also put the page numbers because you might need to go back and say, okay, how is this word used in the context? So, again, these are some pretty hard words. So, you're going to kind of decipher which one kind of stands out to you that you want to do a rap or video on, or maybe there's more than one. Okay, but you're going to see when I do my example that I chose the word right here. I chose pondered. Okay, all right. So once you do that, on this slide where I say add title, this is where you would type in. So I'm just going to kind of make this smaller again. So right here, you would kind of say, okay, I'm going to erase that and I'm going to write the title of my song. Okay, so mine is kind of about pondering remote learning. So I might put that as my title. And then if I want to type my text and I just want to do a song and not a video, like lyrics, I would just type out my lyrics on this slide. Okay, if for some reason you're like, this isn't enough room, I want to make more. You guys know you can always go to slide, add a new slide, and continue with your lyrics. Okay, this is totally something you can edit. Now, this is kind of a cool feature. If you're thinking, I don't want to just do lyrics, I want to do a video, because this is something you guys I want to share kind of on a fifth grade Padlet with all the teachers so that people can see your guys' lyrics and your videos. So, what you're going to do, this is so cool and easy. So, I found this free kind of app called Screencastify. So, all you guys need to do is hit this link, okay? Now mine's gonna look a little bit different. So you're gonna hit this link, okay? And then I have the directions right here. So it says this is where you will record your video. You just record and then press the submit button and it will be downloaded automatically into my Google Drive. So you guys don't have to download or do anything. I just kind of put the directions again. So when you're ready to record, okay, so let's say I'm ready to record, it is going to count down. And then I'm going to start rapping. I'm going to start doing my lyrics. And then I'm going to press stop record. And it'll say it's processing your video. It might take a minute. But the awesome thing is, you guys, it's going to automatically download into my Google Drive. Okay. So it says review your video and make sure everything looked good. Once you've done, submit it by clicking the button. So when you're looking at it and you're like, it looks really good, then you would just press submit. And then the awesome thing is, again, it will be dumped into a folder on my drive. And what I want to do again is be able to share these with each other because I know we don't get to see each other. Okay, so it takes a minute, but once you submit it, it will automatically be dropped into my Google Drive. Okay. And honestly, you guys, I know we could share the video to our classroom, but I want you to wait because I will be doing that myself. If you want to download your video to keep it, that's completely up to you guys. Okay. All right. So that's something really cool if you want to record. If you don't want to record a video, you can just type your lyrics. Okay. And then what I did is I kind of put an example on this page. So I just kind of wanted to put, okay, here's my vocab word. I knew what my definition meant. And then I kind of looked up synonym and antonyms. Okay, so this is an example. So when you do your video, just be thinking that you're including those in your video. If you're doing lyrics, make sure you're including those. Okay, and then you guys can kind of watch my video. I'm not going to play it right now, but it's just an example for you. Okay, so please have fun with this. If you have any questions, please reach out. But these won't be due until Friday, like normal. And then I'm hoping over the weekend we can kind of make a page to share with you guys in the school of all your awesome work. Okay, so please have fun with us. Props are definitely, I would love that. If you want to add some music, do whatever your little heart pleases. Okay, bye, fifth grade.